Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well and preparing for your NEET examination. Today we are here with a 50 question set fast revision which will help to crack your NEET. So let's just start. Here we are focusing for cracking the NEET only. So the first question is a shift in attitude in respondents between 2 points during data collection is called what? So it is known as regression effect. Second question, the time frame in which a study explores a situation or problem is also called the reference period. Remember this. It is the time frame in which a study explores. So the reference period is being given. Next is third question, the major characteristic of correlation analysis is to seek out what? Here the answer is association among variables. So the major characteristic of correlation is always analyzed to seek the association among the variables. Fourth question is the performance of a student is compared with another student in which type of testing? This is called norm reference testing. Keep in mind, when the performance of a student is compared with another student, it is norm reference testing. Now the fifth question, which of the learner characteristics will influence his or her perspective in a course of study? So it is learner's commitment, because it is talking about the course of study, so it is only the personal perspective, so it is the learner's own commitment. Then another points are the parents' interest in the learner. Third point is prior knowledge of the learner and skill of the learner in the concerned area, and family size of the learner, socio-economical background of the family to which the learner belongs. So we have to choose the perfect one. As I have told you, it is the learner's personal perspective. So it is very clear that answer is from all these 6 is 1. Learner's commitment, 3rd. Prior knowledge of the learner, and 4. Skill of the learner in a concerned area. Next question, number 6. From the list given below, identify those which are called non-probability sampling procedures. So the options are simple random sampling, dimensional sampling, snowball sampling, cluster sampling, quota sampling, stratified sampling. So here the correct answer is 2. Dimensional sampling, 3. Snowball sampling, and 4. that is quota sampling. So keep in mind. Number 7. The conceptual framework in which the research is conducted is called a research design, because they are talking about the conceptual framework of the research. So here it is the research design. Number 8. Which of the following is an example of a maximum performance test? So it is aptitude test, because here majority of the characteristic of a candidate can be checked, so it is an aptitude test. Number 9. Which among the following is the best field to study to improve the ability of students experiment and analyze? It is science, because science deals with the experimental and analysis purposes. Next question, number 10. Which of the strategies in the list given below will be associated with direct teaching? So it is about direct teaching. First point, providing examples and explanation. Second, promoting inquiry. Third, focusing on concepts. 5. Giving review and recapitulation, and ordering practical and feedback, and problem raising and problem solving. So here what is about the direct teaching? So the answer is very clear. Providing direct example and explanation is the direct teaching. Then giving review and recapitulation is also direct contact, and offering the practical and feedback. So here this is also a direct teaching. Next question. From the list given below, identify those questions which are called process rather than content based question. So the list is convergent questions, divergent questions, fact based question, concept based question, open questions, closed questions. So here the answer is the divergent question, fast based question, and open questions. So here it is called process rather than the content. So these are the answer. Next question. Which among the following reflects best the quality of teaching in a classroom? So the answer is through the quality of questions asked by students in the classroom, because when the student is asking some question denotes that the full concentration of the student in the class. So this is the best quality of teaching. Third question, the among the following which one is not an instructional material? So in this, the overhead projector is not an instructional material because it is just showing and projecting the thing, not teaching directly. Here we require teacher, so there is not an instructional material. 14. Suppose as a teacher you are training your students in public speaking and debate. Which among the following is most difficult to develop among the students? So the name is control over emotions, because while in public emotions cannot be that much control as in simple way. So control over the emotions is somewhat most difficult to develop. Next question. The artifacts that arise and affect the interval ability in research are what? History, randomization, maturity, instrumentation, experimental mortality, matching. So here the answer is history, maturity, instrumentation, and experimental mortality, which is the internal validity in a research. Next question, 16. Formation of a research problem depends on what? What is the object behind the research choice? What are the specific questions? What is the conceptual model? What negative factors to research upon? Research for unlimited or unlimiting the study, and construction of hypothesis. So here the research problem depends on what is the object behind the researcher choice. The object is always the important one. Second, what are the specific question? So the specification is also to be focused. And what is the conceptual model as well as the construction of the hypothesis? Because without the constructing main and the proper hypothesis, research cannot be formulated better. So these are the research problem depends on. Next question, 17. When subject and predicate of both the premises are the same but they differ in quality only, it is known as contrariety. 18. Which of the following fractions is the result of the sum of an integer and its reciprocal? It is 26/5. Next, mass media do not have predetermined functions for everyone and people use them the way they like. This is suggestive of the fact that it is audiences are active. Because of the active audiences, it is very much useful. Next question. If proposition all publics are grateful is taken to be true, then which of the following proposition can be false? Whether republics are not grateful, some publics are not grateful, no republics are grateful, some republics are grateful, or else? So the answer is republics are not grateful, some republics are not grateful, and no republics are grateful. So this can be false because here it is clearly written that all republics are grateful. Next question 21. Sanjay sold an article at a loss of 25%. If the selling price had been increased by rupees 175, there would have been a gain of 10%. What was the cost price of the article? So here the cost will be 500. Next question. A communication process can be considered complete when the receiver understands the message, because if the receiver do not understand the message, then the communication cannot consider successful. 23. The customer writes to a bank that kindly send me a statement of my transactions in my saving account A during the last 3 months. In terms of communication, it will be called what? So this is a kind of message because customer is sending a message to a bank for some purpose. Next question. A train leaves Agra at 5 a.m. and reaches Delhi at 9 a.m. Another train leaves Delhi at 7 a.m. and reaches Agra at 10:30 a.m. At what time do the two trains cross each other? So the answer is at 7:56 a.m. both will be reached together. Next question 25. The proposition is no red is black is equivalent to which of the following proposition? Maybe no black is red, all red are black, some red are not black, and red is not black. So the correct one is no black is red, because it is clearly stated as no red is black. So no black can be red. And another is red is not black. So this is the answer. 26. Which among the following is best advantage of choice based credit system? It is shift in a focus from teacher centric to student centric education. So this is the best choice of advantageous education because we need to focus on the student, not on the other areas. Next question 27. The average of 35 raw scores in 18, the average of first 17 of them is 14 and that of last 17 is 20. Find the 18th raw score. It is 52. 28th question. Identify the reasoning in the following argument. Here, pre-active stage of classroom teaching is important just as pre-learning preparation stage of communication. So here it is analogical. In 29, in the context of communication, usual sequence is the first communication, then language, then society, then civilization. Because this is a stepwise process. After the communication only language can be there, then society will come, and at the end civilization. 13. If reason is coded as 5 and government as 9, then what is the code for accident? It is 7. 31. The component of research design are what? Comparison, control, reactivity, manipulation, non-representativeness, and generalization. So here the research design component are A. Comparison, B. Control, D. Manipulation, and F. Generalization. So these are the major component of research design. 32. A variable that is manipulated is known as what? It is independent variable, because as per its name it is totally independent, do not depend on anything, so it can be easily manipulated. 33. In the digital era, there is a fear that classroom communication may result in overstimulation. Because of the digital one, the stimulation becomes more and more accumulated, so it can be the overstimulated. 34. Under which of the conditions an argument may be valid? Select the correct answer from the code given. Statements are: A. When its conclusion and premises are true. B. Even when its conclusion and one or more of its premises are false. And C. Only when its conclusion is true. So the correct code is A and B, that is when its conclusion and premises are true, or even when its conclusion and one or more its premises are false. So this can be there. 35. Which of the following statements represent the main function of UGC? Recognition of institutes, maintenance of quality and standards, appointment of vice chancellor, giving grants to institutes, making state government responsible for educational development. So the correct function of UGC is recognition of institution, maintenance of quality and standards, and giving grants to the institutes, as it is UGC, University Grants Commission. 36. The main aim of the faculty recharge scheme of UGC was to address the shortage of faculty in higher education system. So this is the recharge scheme of UGC. Which of the following is an online storehouse of all academic awards like certificate, diplomas, degree marksheet, etc.? So it is National Academic Depository. 38. The convenient place to store contact information for quick retrieval on email is address book. So address book is the place where we can have the quick retrieval of the email. The Montreal Protocol aims at what? So it is phasing out ozone depleting substances. So this is the main protocol. 40. SMTP is an acronym for what? So this is the short form. We need to find the full form. It is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. 41. In a large part of eastern India, the groundwater is contaminated by what? It is arsenic. 42. Taj Mahal is mainly threatened by a deleterious effect of what? This is sulfur dioxide, and because of this effect it turns little darker nowadays, and because of what too many programs are being going on. 43. A computer has main memory of 960 kbytes. What is the exact number of bytes contained in this memory? It is only 960 into 1024, because here for 1 it is 1024. So total kilobyte is 960, so we have to multiply it with 1024. 44. Two statements are given over here. One is earthquake A is 5 on Richter scale and earthquake B is 8 on the same scale. The earthquake B has 1000 times a wave amplitude compared to A. So the statement is the energy release in B is 3 times that of A. So we have to choose the correct one. So the correct statement is 1 is correct and statement 2 is not correct, because the energy release in B is not 3 times that of A. 45. A computer has main memory of 960 kilobyte. So what is the exact number of the byte contained in this memory? So again here into 1024 with 960. 46. Name the scheme which facilitate academic and research collaboration between Indian institution and the best institution in the world. It is SPARC, that is SPARC. 47. Which of the following file format is not a video file format? So that is JPEG, because it is the photo image file format. 48. For a day today administration of university, which of the following bodies is responsible for day-to-day administration? It is syndicate or executive council. 49. Efficiency of electrical power generation is least among the following sources of energy in case of what? It is geothermal. And 50. Which of the following is a non-conventional learning program in higher education? It is SWAYAM. It is non-conventional learning program. So best of luck for this. We will come with another 50 question series for fast forward revision. Till then, thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you will get this kind of important video in your notification. Thank you for watching.